This is the Capability for Work questionnaire for Universal Credit, the section sharing information about your health condition. Note that the Department for Work and Pensions, DWP, or approved healthcare professionals that work for DWP might need more information about your health condition and how it affects your ability to work. They might ask for relevant information from your doctor or any other relevant professional that you tell them about. Do you give your consent for your doctor or other relevant professionals to give DWP more information about your health condition? Please choose either yes, information about my health can be shared with DWP or the healthcare professionals that work for them, or no, information about my health cannot be shared with DWP or the healthcare professionals that work for them. DWP uses this information to process for claim and decide on your claim, or any mandatory reconsideration or appeal you make. The law allows DWP to get, keep, and use this information. Your doctor, or any other relevant professionals you tell DWP about, needs your consent to give information to DWP. If you give your consent, this lets them know that they are legally allowed to share this information with DWP. DWP can lawfully ask your doctor, hospital consultant, or other relevant professionals for information about your health condition and how it affects you. This is because we are asking for the information to help us carry out our official social security functions. You do not have to give your consent. If you do not, DWP will decide based on the information they have already, as well as any that you give them yourself. If you change your mind, you can do this by going to your online journal to report a change or phone Universal Credit on 080032856644 and say that you want to give or withdraw your consent. And if you withdraw your consent, DWP cannot get information from your doctor or others named on your form. Please sign in the dedicated space that you have read or heard and understood the text above. Please also enter the date of your signature. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 02088488319 or email them at info@dash.org.uk.